Hey everyone, it's Wally back with another Windows 10 troubleshooting video. If you are dealing with the frustrating issue where your Wi-Fi option mysteriously disappears from both the taskbar and settings menu, fear not, because today I'll walk you through on how to fix this missing Wi-Fi issue with the most up-to-date information available. The first step is to determine whether it's a Windows 10 glitch or a hardware hiccup with your network card. To do this, let's dive into Command Prompt. Simply hit the Start menu, type CMD, and open up Command Prompt. Now in Command Prompt, let's run a quick diagnostic by typing ping 8.8.8.8 and hitting Enter. If you receive a response like this, it means your computer hardware is in the clear and the issue lies within Windows 10 itself. To proceed, simultaneously press the Windows key and R key on your keyboard. This action will open the Run dialog box. In the dialog box, type services.sc and press Enter or click OK. This will display a list of Windows services on your computer. Look for the WLAN AutoConfig service and ensure that it is running. If it's not running, you'll see an option to start the service at the top. Additionally, you can right-click on the service, select Properties, and navigate to the Startup tab. Ensure that the startup type is set to automatic, then click Apply and OK. Finally, restart your Windows 10 system to apply the changes. If the WLAN AutoConfig service is already running, proceed with the next troubleshooting method. In most cases, following the first method should have resolved the issue. However, if you're still experiencing the problem, try the following steps. Press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Type misconfig and hit Enter. In the System Configuration window, navigate to the Services tab. Check the box next to Enable All Services to ensure all necessary services are running. Click on Apply and then OK to save the changes. Restart your Windows 10 computer. After the restart, check if you can now connect to the network and if the Wi-Fi option is visible in the settings. These steps provide additional options to resolve the issue when the Wi-Fi option is not appearing in Windows 10 settings and you're unable to connect to Wi-Fi. To begin troubleshooting, navigate to the Start menu and open the Settings app. From there, access the Network and Internet section. Next, click on Change Adapter Options, where you'll find a list of your network adapters, including your Wi-Fi adapter. If the Wi-Fi adapter is currently disabled, right-click on it and select Enable. However, if it's already enabled, you can attempt to reset it by first disabling the adapter, then re-enabling it. Simply right-click on the Wi-Fi adapter, choose Disable, then click Enable to reactivate it. This process may resolve any issues with the network adapter on your Windows 10 device, allowing you to detect and connect to available networks. If you've tried the previous steps and your Wi-Fi is still not functioning, let's delve deeper into troubleshooting. Start by pressing the Windows key and R key simultaneously on your keyboard. In the Run dialog box, type devmgmpydemsc and hit Enter or click OK. This will open the Device Manager window. Within Device Manager, locate Network Adapters and expand the options. Here you'll find your Wi-Fi network adapter listed. Identify the specific network adapter, such as Broadcom, Atheros, Realtek, or another brand. Next, right-click on the adapter and select Update Driver. Since you're currently not connected to Wi-Fi, choose Browse My Computer for drivers, and then let me pick from a list of available drivers. Now select a driver version that corresponds to a time when your Wi-Fi was working correctly. Follow the on-screen prompts to install the selected driver. Additionally, you can experiment with installing other drivers to see if they resolve the issue. After installing the driver, restart your Windows 10 system and check if the Wi-Fi option reappears. If not, return to the Device Manager, right-click on the network driver, choose Properties, and navigate to the Power Management tab. Uncheck the option that says Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power, then click OK. After applying these changes, recheck for available network options to determine if the Wi-Fi functionality has been restored. If none of the previous steps have resolved the issue, let's proceed with further troubleshooting. Return to this page and right-click on your network driver. Then select Uninstall Device and confirm by clicking Uninstall. Once the driver is uninstalled, restart your Windows 10 computer. Upon restarting, the system will automatically reinstall the driver. Check if you can now connect to the internet and if the Wi-Fi options are visible. If you're still unable to see the Wi-Fi network option, Proceed to the next step. Go to Settings, Network and Internet. Then click on Network Reset and confirm by clicking Reset Now and then Yes to confirm. Windows 10 will restart itself and reset all network settings. This action will delete all network-related configurations and start afresh, which may resolve the connectivity issue. If the previous steps didn't resolve the issue, consider trying the following method. If you have access to another working computer with internet access, use it to search for the network driver for your specific laptop model or motherboard. If it's a custom-built PC, start by searching for your laptop model number along with the term network driver on Google. Alternatively, if you have a custom-built PC, search for the motherboard or network card model number. Visit the official website of the laptop manufacturer or motherboard network card manufacturer to download the appropriate driver. Ensure that you select the driver compatible with your operating system, for example, Windows 10. Common drivers include Intel wireless LAN drivers or similar for other wireless LAN cards. Once downloaded, transfer the driver file to your computer and proceed with the installation. After installation, you should be able to detect and connect to Wi-Fi networks. All right, let's tackle this Windows 10 issue together. Here's the step-by-step guide. Start by navigating to the Control Panel. You can do this by clicking on the Start menu and searching for Control Panel. In the Control Panel, locate the network options. Once in the network settings, head over to the Advanced tab. Look for the option labeled Restore Advanced Settings and click on it. After that, proceed to click on Reset and confirm by clicking on Reset again. This action will reset the internet options on your Windows 10 system. Keep in mind that while this method may resolve the issue, it's not a guaranteed fix. Restarting your router or access point can also help refresh the connection. After making these adjustments, reconnect to your Wi-Fi network and check if the Wi-Fi option is now visible and functional in your Windows 10 settings. If you're still encountering Wi-Fi issues, let's explore one last troubleshooting method. This involves checking for any software conflicts that could be affecting your Wi-Fi connectivity. Begin by reviewing recently installed programs or updates on your Windows 10 system. Sometimes new software installations can conflict with network settings and cause Wi-Fi problems. Consider uninstalling any recently added programs or updates that might be causing the issue. Next, run a full antivirus scan on your computer to check for any malware or viruses that could be interfering with your network connections. Malware can disrupt network functionality and cause issues like missing Wi-Fi options. Once you've addressed potential software conflicts and ensured your system is free of malware, restart your Windows 10 computer. After the restart, check if the Wi-Fi option has reappeared and if you can now connect to Wi-Fi networks without any issues. I hope you found the video helpful and were able to fix your connectivity problems. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video useful, and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Leave a comment below, sharing your thoughts or any other tech topics you'd like us to cover. And remember to share this video with your friends who might benefit from this video. Until next time, take care.